Hey folks, it's Greg coming to you from Volo, Illinois. We're here at the Volo Auto Museum today. Let's take a walk around this park. This is pretty cool. I didn't know this was this active. I was just out riding my bike today and decided to roll through here, and let's go see what we got here, man. Yes. Ooh, Chrysler. Got a Hemi in that thing.
I wish.
That's pretty cool.
Heck yeah.
You don't mind if I video, do you?
Oh, yeah.
I've been out on my bike videotaping, just riding around. Came through town here. I said, "This, I haven't been here for a long time."
Looks like someone else fixing the video.
So yeah, we got some beautiful cars here, folks.
Oh, yes.
Beautiful cars. Look at these old Dodge. Ooh, must be a Dodge 500.
When he has
Beautiful
somebody
car,
stuff,
folks.
I contact him and he says, "Yeah, I got that here. You know, nobody wants it. You know."
He'll like give it to me.
Yeah.
Well,
Beautiful.
of course, but he's a businessman.
Monaco 500.
He has it, you want it. You know.
I mean, I was driving into town of an afternoon, you know, and I live 4 miles outside of town, so.
Where's that?
Des Moines.
There's another Monaco 500. $1968. 1965.
Grab one of those coats on your lap. It was taller than him. That worked. That's the first time. 10 feet inside.
Oh yeah. How are you gentlemen today?
Good.
Beautiful day, isn't it?
That's beautiful.
Beautiful car too.
I would say thank you, but that one's not mine. But thanks.
I can tell you a story when I was barely in high school. My sister's boyfriend took me for a cruise in one of these. Almost killed us, but man, that was a wild car. That thing had some power. It was a lot of
You
fun.
didn't feel anything.
Oh man, you're just floating. Oh yeah. Chrysler Products Restorers Club. Big old 400 in it.
They got stuff to sell in there. You know? I don't want me to compete with our competition. But you know what? That's
New Yorker. This baby's beautiful. Perfect shape. Very nice.
It's supposedly a.
It's all white with me.
Yeah, it's a special. Got the special paint code, special order. Oh, really? So
1970.
the spots you can see in the trunk and everything's brown. So if it was brown, The only brown that would have been special order would have been Imperial, which is like dark walnut. That's what color's supposed to be. I don't know. This thing is good.
Never sold it.
It's a beautiful car. Oh, and this one's for sale, folks. If you're interested, let's see what it's got. It's 1970 Model 300 440 engine. If you're interested, dial this number right here, 515-954-0548. And this is what you'll get. I'll put this on my YouTube channel for you.
Oh, cool.
It's not a real popular channel, but I have one.
Alright, well, like I said, I might bring that one out. I haven't, it's not one of my favorite ones to dig off, but it is there. It would have been nice.
Still has the original 8-track tape player in it. No Neil Diamond. Awesome. Boy, that brings back memories.
No, they're actually the company that made them. Taylor made them. So I deal directly with Taylor. $100. I try to do a tune-up every day.
Polera. Look at that beautiful paint job, too. How you doing today, sir?
Doing well, thank you.
Got a beautiful car here.
Thank you.
Very nice.
That was a tank.
Who, did you hire out the paint work or did you restore it yourself?
Kind of came that way.
Kind of came that way. Whoever painted it did a nice job prepping. You can tell. It's nice and flat. The paint's nice. It looks good.
Once I got the motor broken in, whether I was blow it ahead, then gives me everything back to the muffler, and then I had a Midas through the tailpipe, the one to run the gas.
Did you have those tips on there last year?
They've been on the car since 92. 92 or maybe 93. Bunch of work after the end.
18 years he's had this, folks.
The Subaru was a rally. And same guy, Norway, sold me door seals with my front door. When these idiots painted my car and put the vinyl roof back on, no door seals on the bottom, no door seals. And there's
you never notice. Until you hear
Oh.
all the road
Exactly.
noise.
Now here we have an
and
oddball.
there's umpteen of them.
It's probably not in the show, but we're going to record it anyway. This is a beauty. Oh, yeah. Yes.